Dạ có chị. Đây. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. Yes. Đây là sáng kiến của đêm mình nè các bạn. Không có đồ treo cho nên phải tận dụng những gì mà mình có. Cho nên các model đã tới đây rồi nha. Chúng ta ở trong cái phòng ở trong cái building Harbourfront Centre. Cho nên các bạn model đang chuẩn bị. Đây là Dialect. Come in. More models? Can you? I'm gonna go and move the car. Can you go there and bring them here so they know?
So if you're gonna move the car, then she don't have to be there watch the car, right? Or
No, she doesn't. She just have to be there to see the vendor until another volunteer come and they can sit there. Yeah, because our door is open and we have sent nước mía there. We don't want it to be stolen like the xe xích lô. Okay. Anh Ronnie, người biên đạo múa, hát, Kim đạo múa, He Kim. Đó, dễ thương vậy chưa? Mọi người đang get ready. Hi Damon, how are you? Thank you for all your help. I much appreciate it. We need to hurry up because we got a lot of more stuff to steam, darling. Okay? Sunny like always. You're gonna see how perfectionist he is. Look, whenever he does a makeup, he prints out. So since we're doing the Ao Dai Evolution, he prints them out. He does his homework. See, no stranger to our models. This is Sunny. Hi, Sunny. What's it? I don't know, like what, 8 years since I know you? Oh man, you're getting younger and I'm getting older. Thank you so much for all your help, honey. I really appreciate it. So, this is Sunny, as you can. He handles like what, 60 models at the Taste of Vietnam for the past 3 years? Yep, like 60 models, guys. That is intense. So, there's the QR code. Okay, so these are the behind the scenes people that you don't see, but you do see now because I paparazzi them. So to do an event, you can just watch a show or, you know, a performance that's only a few minutes, but it takes hours and days and weeks and so many hard work from everybody. See? So that's our team, guys. So models, when you come here, this is the room that we are at. So get your hair and makeup done. And we'll see you soon. So today's our second day of the Taste. No, not the Taste. This is our second day of the South by Southeast Festival. So we're down at Harbourfront. It's a beautiful day. It's hot, but it's nice to be by the water. Come down, support our festival, and also watch our Ao Dai Evolution performance. And have a good time. Don't forget to stop by the Better Futures for Kids fundraising booth. There's delicious food, Vietnamese, a little taste of Vietnam for you before our Taste of Vietnam festival at the end of July. So mark your calendar for the Taste of Vietnam festival happening at Nathan Phillips Square, City Hall, Toronto on the 24th, 25th, and 26th. So we'll see you soon, everyone, down at Harbourfront. And also, Happy Canada Day. Well, it's not today, but it's weekend. So, say hi, Sunny. There's anh Ronnie. Hi, anh Ngọc. Em thời đại nào?
Em là sau 1960.
Có làm homework thời đại em là mặc áo gì?
Áo gấp lăng.
Giỏi. Lịch sử về áo gấp lăng là sao?
Chưa thuộc bài.
Mai mốt là phải thuộc bài nha. Tại vì người ta sẽ hỏi mình, khán giả họ sẽ nhìn trang phục của mình đẹp, họ sẽ hỏi là cái này là từ đâu, ở đâu. Mình phải, tại vì khi mình đi quảng bá văn hóa Việt Nam thì mình phải chia sẻ với các bạn quốc tế chứ, đúng không? Cho nên học không work.
Cái cách tên của áo dài sau khi mà áo dài tay được may rời và sau đó là rất nhiều thiết kế hiện đại lấy theo hình thức của áo gấp lăng để mà phát triển.
Hay ha, giỏi. Giỏi, ok, rồi pass, cho pass. Ok. Ở đây là anh Ronnie. Hi anh Ronnie, khỏe không anh? Damon. Thank you. Okay everyone, so we're getting ready and you will see us performing the Ao Dai Evolution at 12 p.m. Okay, see you soon.